Look, lick the camera. Welcome to the vlog. It's Saturday. I know it's been a while since we've been in the Jeep. There's Christmas came, New Year's came, snowstorm came. Everybody's heat in Chattanooga quit working. So me and everybody where I work, Reliable, was just covered up with work. This is my first weekend that I can remember in a long time that I've been off. It feels great. So, just like nothing ever happened, we're in the Jeep, headed to Mom. Hunter is, I think, coming down with the flu. I wanted him to come with me. Going over here to work on a trailer that we bought from Bernard. Actually bought it. I say we because I'm going to try to use it as much as I can. I'd hate for the Barons to lock up with it sitting in his yard all the time not being used. Just doing my part. Going over here. I'm going to hopefully grab a bite to eat on the way or when we get there. Mom, are you listening? Breakfast. Chee-chee. So yeah. Woo! Bump bump. So yeah. So yeah. I'll holler at you in just a minute. We're gonna take a quick flash. And we'll be at Mom's. Watch this. Alright guys, we made it to Mom's. There's Mom and my little puppy dogs. Charlie, look, lick the camera. Door, see if I can give you a shot. Yeah, nice door. This is the trailer we bought the other night. We had to put new lights on it. We're going to cut these lights off. Mom just came in and said apparently we're going to replace the wood in it because it's ugly. And it needs a jack stand. Besides that, it's a good solid trailer. I've been all up under it running wires and checking everything out. Bearings look like they've been greased. Got some Ford Ranger looking wheels on it. Anyway, we're going to load this door onto the trailer. Go to take it to Chevelle's house and install it. It's going to be a blast. The four-wheeler is leaving today. Hopefully, boss man's gonna come grab it up and take it home so his wife can ride through the woods. It's pretty normal weekend around here. Just gotta open the door and we'll put the trailer up. Put the trailer up, then load up the door. There's Beanard. Alright, back in the Jeep. Got the door loaded up. Headed to Chevelle's. But I, myself, am stopping at Bojangles for a good old Southern chicken biscuit. Hit 'em up. They got the best. Yes. Supposed to have a bunch of help today. Everybody was going to kind of do like an old barn raising. We're going to have a door raising. Yeah! And nobody shows. One son's working, one son's sleeping. Clay's in a coma. Brother had to work. E and B. Jacob. I will definitely get y'all some footage when we get over there. Jacob's got a race car he's building. Oh my. Oh hell yes. Honey put on that party dress. That thing is gonna be bad. Oh, it's got a 1JZ in it. And it's bad. It's gonna be awesome. They put a cage in it. They done all kinds of stuff to it. Shoot over here to Bojangles. Our 58 area is growing. We've got a Bojangles now. We've got a Popeyes now. So that puts us with a Sonic and a McDonald's and a Taco Bell and a Wendy's. All in 58. Woo, there's a bunch of people here at Bojangles. It must be Biscuit 30. So how have you guys been? I noticed last night, YouTube, I got an email, YouTube changed a bunch of things, and before your YouTube channel can be legit, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is a lot. So I'm asking you, share this channel, get it out there. We've got good content, and it's coming. It's going to be even better, but we have to get the channel out there to more people, just so that YouTube can analyze it and make it legit or whatever. A bunch of people whining over it because they're losing money. Well, I haven't lost any money because I'm not making any money. I'm doing this for fun, because it's fun going out here and sharing my world, the adventures that I go through, so that my kids can see it, my grandkids can see it. Once it's on the internet, it's there for a long time, forever. It's there forever. So, I don't know. I just want to see how big I can get this channel. You've got all your big time Roman Atwood, Boozy, I don't know. There's so many of them out there. And they make millions of dollars. That would be great. That'd be grand. It'd be fantastic. But I enjoy doing it right now. It's hard to come up with content and ideas. Stop at the store here, get a drink, and back to Flash. Alright guys, I was sitting around editing that video and realized that I never finished it. I lost the footage. I thought all the footage was gone, but it was there. I just never finished it. We got the door put in Chevelle's house and lost the footage of the race car. It'll definitely be on there soon. But I'm going to wrap this up now so that I can start today's vlog, where we're going to take the bikes out down off of Hunter Road and hit some power lines. It's going to be nice. Etard's on his way over here and we're going to hit it. So, questions. What do y'all want to see in the videos? More moto vlogs? I like the moto vlogs myself because they're fun. Just family vlogs. Got some family vlogs we can do. Or just plain everyday stuff. Just let me know in the comments. Like the video. Subscribe if you're new. And stay tuned. We're fixing to load up. Start filming for today's moto vlog. Peace.